Hi, hello days, Namaskar and welcome to UGC Cracker Learning Series conducted by Consortium for Information Professionals India. In this session, let us discuss research aptitude. We will be discussing basics of research, types of research and 10 multiple choice questions related with this area. So let's get started from the very beginning itself. What is research? In simple terms, research can be defined as the careful and methodological investigation into a specific area or a topic. It has a significant importance in various fields of human life. Research is treated as the art of scientific investigation. Why we are calling research as a scientific investigation or scientific action? Because of these reasons. First one, it clearly defines the purpose. Second one, there will be a continuous research process. Third one, there will be a master plan or research design. Fourth one, there will be the limitations or defined areas or boundaries of research. Fifth one, there will be the analysis and results on the basis of the collected data. Another point is unambiguous presentations of findings, and the last one is there will be a justified conclusion. Because of all these reasons, research is considered as a scientific action. Now let us understand what are the motives behind research. We can see different motives behind researchers. They are desire to face challenges in solving unsolved problems. Second one is desire to get intellectual joy of doing some creative work. Third one is desire to do something to the society. Fourth one is desire to get respectability. And fifth one is desire to get research degree and its benefit. This is the last one is the least important one in the examination point of view and its sense point of view. But unfortunately, people are doing the prime importance are giving to the last point. Now, let us try to understand types of research. As we know, there is no any single criteria to classify research. There are different criteria to classify research. So, let us try to understand each one. Each categorization, let us try to understand. They are on the basis of utility and application, we can classify research. On the basis of nature of data, we can classify research. On the basis of research place, we can classify research. On the basis of research time, we can classify research. On the basis of the purpose of the study, we can classify. Again, on the basis of methodology, we can classify. Let us understand each one. On the basis of utility and application, we can classify research as basic research and applied research. These are all the very important types of research. Basic research and applied research. What is basic research? Basic research is called again fundamental research. It is also called pure research or theoretical research. The research is done to expand the knowledge of a researcher is called basic research. Generally, there is no intention to discover or create something new behind this type of research. In most cases, the findings of basic research do not have any commercial value. This happens because the main aim of this research is to satisfy curiosity of researcher or to expand his knowledge. So, for example, research on natural phenomenon, research on sea, etc. What are the main features of basic research? They are, it requires vast time period. Second point is, it is not a time-bounded research. It is flexible. Its benefits generated by research will be applicable to entire community. The other point is, the benefits of these type of researchers will be applicable to the entire community. It will not be confined to any particular community. It helps in developing theories and cost may be very high. These are all the features of basic research. What is applied research? Again, applied research is also called action research, practical research, or need-based research. Applied research is carried out to find out real-life problem requiring an action or policy decision. Mostly, this type of research is related with health, wealth, or culture. We have a good example for applied research. It is the development of COVID vaccine. So, the research and development agencies in medical fields were doing their research. They were conducting their researches for developing a vaccine for corona. Now it is available. It was the result of an applied research. What are the features of this applied research? First one, the study is undertaken to generate knowledge on a specific problem situation. Second one, this would be practical value to specific organization. It is an action-oriented research. Its implementation is needed immediate action. Time and cost are constraints. And last one is concerned with testing of theories. These are all the features of applied research. Now, let us try to understand the other types of research. This is on the basis of according to nature of data. We can classify on the basis of the nature of data as the quantitative research and qualitative research. What you mean by quantitative research? Quantitative research is done for measuring the quantity or amount of a particular phenomenon. Example, growth of UGC NET qualifiers last 5 years, or increase of UGC NET qualifiers last 5 years. The other one is qualitative research. Qualitative research is concerned with deeper understanding of a phenomenon. Qualitative research tries to find out why and how rather than what, when, and where of a phenomenon. Example of a qualitative research is customer satisfaction of people in online purchase and offline purchase during COVID period. Now let us try to understand the types of research on the basis of place where the study is carried out. On the basis of this categorization, we can classify research as 3. Field study, laboratory study or laboratory research and library research. What is laboratory research? It refers to research that is done in laboratory. This is also known as simulation research. Second category is field study or case study, which refers to that type of research which is confined to a particular case or environment. The third one is library research. It is also called historical research. It refers to the research in which the researcher either takes the help of historical sources to conduct fresh research or studies that past events. Now let us try to understand the categorization on the basis of time period. We have two categories here, one-time research and longitudinal research. One-time research is that type of research that is carried out over a single time period, whereas longitudinal research refers to research is carried several time periods. Now, let us understand the categorization according to the purpose of the study. We have three categories here. Descriptive category, descriptive type of research, evaluative type of research, and analytical type of research. Let us try to understand each one. What is descriptive research? Descriptive research is a fact-finding investigation which is aimed at describing the characteristic of an incident, individual, or a group, or it may describe the state of affairs as it exists at present. The features of this type of research are: researcher has no control over variables. He just reports what is happening or what happened. This type of research is also called ex post facto research. Research is done after the occurrence of a problem. Census carried out by our government of India, that is one of the examples of descriptive type of research. Again, FIR prepared by police officers after an incident. This is also called one type of ex post facto research. The other category is analytical research. Analytical research. Analytical research is concerned with interpreting the relationships and testing hypotheses by analyzing the facts or information that is available. This type of research establishes a cause-effect relationship between variables. Example of this type of research is effect of online learning during Corona period. Next type is evaluation study. It is that type of research which conducted to evaluate impact of particular event. Example of this type of research is standard of living of village people after Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme. Okay, this is the other type of or categorization of research. The last categorization or last types of research are empirical research and conceptual research. Empirical research is based on evidence. At the same time, conceptual research is based on concepts. That means no evidence. Conceptual research involves abstract ideas and concepts for a research. It is generally used by philosophers and thinkers to develop new concepts or to reinterpret existing ideas. At the same time, empirical research involves research based on observation, experiments, and verifiable evidences. Okay, dears, we have already understood what is research and types of research. Now, let us try to answer the following multiple choice questions related with this area.